Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 29, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong September 29, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, September 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 29, 2024, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for September 29, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of September 29, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.